Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson, and welcome to WDT Media TV. And the residents of Rosalie Avenue, they are complaining that there's no water in their taps, as you can see right here. No water in this tap along a household along Rosalie Avenue. This one as well. And this one also, no water in this kitchen, in the household kitchen. And same in the bathroom. And this is why I'm now standing at the gully, right at the gully, and the end of Rosalie Avenue. And despite the fact that there's no water running in the taps along the household, along the road, Rosalie Avenue, we're seeing the water running on the roadside and going to waste in the gully. This is the end of Rosalie Avenue, and the water is going down into the gully and literally going down the drain. Let's give you a real-time look at the water going to waste, resulting from an underground leak we showed you in an earlier update along 5th Street in Mall Road Square. And because of that broken main, the entire Rosalie Avenue residents are without the commodity in their taps in their household. This is the water running to waste in the gully from Rosalie Avenue. Look at the water coming down from the gully here, going down into the gully, running on the roadway along Rosalie Avenue. Let's give you a little real-time look here at the amount of water we're talking about. And we're going up Rosalie Avenue and look at the water trail. Still on Rosalie Avenue. Still here along, look at the relay water trail along the roadway. And as we continue, look at the water running along Rosalie Avenue. See the water trail here along the roadway. A little pool here as it continues to flow from along Rosalie. And despite the water flowing freely along the roadway, persons are without the precious commodity in their taps in their household. And this is what this is a heavy flow, getting brown apparently. Some work is taking place apparently. We have to go and see it to confirm. Still along Rosalie Avenue. Water getting heavier and browner. As we know, turn off Rosalie, now going into, like, I think it's 6th Street. You see here, the water getting browner. And there's a police vehicle on the road, apparently trying to maintain the curfew hours. As we're still following the water trail here, as you can see. This is High Park Road. Now onto 5th Street into what they call Mall Road Square, where the leak is. Let's go and see what's happening around there. And yes, some work is taking place. So the workmen, they had to turn on the hydrant here to ease off the water pressure from the area where they're actually working. So the work is now taking place. We repair the pipe here in Mall Road Square. Gentleman here also says clean water, and they're finishing the clean water here from the hydrant here in the Mall Road area. Relieved to see clean water running, not locked off for the past 2 days. This set of underground leak, the broken main.
Yes, water commission engineer doing a beautiful job on this day.
Yeah, but fixing the broken main.
Yes, in Mall Road, so more people can have water.
Yeah, man, bless up. So replace him. Put on the clamp.
The journalists. Freelance journalists.
Yes, in there. Replacing this a broken piece. So the pipe has to be repaired by the NWC. It's about the job you done a short while ago.
Yes, I just repair a broken main. A disrupt line. The whole road is out of water.
Yeah.
To repair. Although the curfew is out, I have to be out here.
Because water is life.
Water is life.
Water is essential for the residents.
For the residents. Quite so.
Alright, best of sir. Good job here by NWC. So the pipe has to be repaired. Taking out the silt. Then now the finishing touch. And now they will train the barrel, trying to repair back the roadway. Because of the repair work that was taking place, eventually there's no water in the taps along Rosalie Avenue. Some bit of compaction. They're removing the silt from off the roadway. Clean away the road surface. I see the mud and dirt here is almost gone from the roadway. The last of it to be taken up. The last bit, so as you can see now all the silt is now off the roadway and the pipe is now repaired. They're now putting in the caution signs now. I'm Dudley Thompson, coming to you from Marlborough Square for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. And again, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks in advance.